everyone, welcome back to my channel Among in Cloud, where we explore the fascinating world of cloud and DevOps. Today is an extra special day because I have just received an incredible package from AWS. This is AWS Community Builders Swag Kit. I can't wait to dive in and see what's inside. Let's get this unboxing party started. That's all for today's unboxing of AWS Community Builders Swag Kit. Remember, the AWS community is all about learning, sharing, and building together. So get out there, explore AWS, and join the community. That's it for this video. If you're liking the video, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.